Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Uncle Frank and I am not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, this could turn out to be the most important video I've ever made, so pay close attention. I want to start this episode by discussing an article from October 23rd of this year titled Prediction: Billionaires will buy this cryptocurrency that could soar 23,900% according to wealth manager Jake Claver. This piece is by Anders Byland for the Motley Fool. Now, I want to put this article in its proper context. So on the day it was published, XRP had an adjusted closing price of 0.5252, so 52.5 cents. Write that down. That's just over 2 months ago. So you could have read it, you could have taken it seriously, you could have acted on it. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Now, in addition to flipping BNB and Solana, XRP soared to a 7-year record high price on December 2nd of this year of almost $3. But let's be specific. By December 3rd, XRP achieved a daily high of 2.8649, so almost 5.5x from the day this article was published to its new high for this year on December 3rd. Okay, stay with me. Now, XRP hit an all-time high in January of 2018. Specifically on January 4th, XRP hit 3.8419, the high for the day, and posted an adjusted closing price of 3.1966, so $3.20. So what had Jake all lathered up for XRP back in October? Let's check the key points. Wealth manager Jake Claver predicts a massive potential rise in XRP's value. Claver compares the Ripple organization to Amazon, including its potential for game-changing investor returns. Let's drill down on that theory for a moment. From the article, wealth manager and online influencer Jake Claver compares XRP and Ripple to Amazon.com. Amazon legitimized the idea of e-commerce in the 1990s and made millionaires out of many early investors. Likewise, Ripple looks ready to disrupt the international finance system with game-changing results for early token holders. Claver imagines a world where Ripple manages the lion's share of international payments someday and also takes over other money transfer settlement systems such as the stock market. In that world, the system could settle as much as 6.6 trillion of daily payment volumes, and the XRP token would have to be worth about $132 to make that vision work. That would be a mind-blowing 23,900% above today's XRP price, which at the time of this article was 55 cents per token. The article continues. This price target is quite extreme, of course. Claver presented it as a theoretical thought experiment, not a firm price target. So how realistic is the proposed $132 target, though? International money transfers of all types carried $160 billion of settlement fees last year. Market analysts like the Brainy Insights firm don't even consider Ripple's modest piece of that puzzle, focusing their reports on traditional systems such as Western Union, Visa, and the SWIFT overseas banking network. Okay, so my analysis doesn't even focus on settlement fees. My focus is on what percentage of SWIFT's $5 trillion per day transfer business Ripple can actually capture. I believe the price of XRP will rise and fall with demand for cross-border money transfers. I believe the more demand surges, the more XRP tokens will be required to perform the transfers. I think it could be similar to the surge pricing you see from Uber. Anyway, the author adds, So there's a significant amount of money to be made, but it will take time to build a serious market presence here. And this relatively reachable opportunity is a tiny sliver of the trillion-dollar trading volumes Claver envisioned in a broader transactional network. So the $132 price target isn't terribly realistic, at least not in the foreseeable future. Fair enough, but Claver mentioned one other thing concerning XRP. Now, I want you to listen carefully to what the author said because the devil is in the details. Quote, market analysts like the brainy insight firms don't even consider Ripple's modest piece of that puzzle, focusing their reports on traditional systems such as Western Union, Visa, and the SWIFT overseas banking network. Fair enough, but... So what three companies did the author mention? Did I hear Western Union? Okay, Fortune 2018, Western Union is testing Ripple and XRP for money transfers. Fast forward to 2023, Western Union embraces Ripple blockchain and XRP token for enhanced money transactions. From the crypto basic, Ripple partner tapped by Western Union for cross-border payments in Africa. Western Union and Ripple joined forces to investigate XRP integration for enhanced transactions. Now, what was the second company the author mentioned? Oh, right, Visa. They do P2P and B2C payment flow. Let's start here. MasterCard and Visa in bidding war for Ripple partner Earthport. Yahoo Finance. Visa acquires Ripple partner Earthport for $250 million. Ripple CEO confirms XRPL CBDC set to surpass Visa soon. XRPL transactions double in Q1. Plus Wallet introduces rapid presale listing verification, exploring Coinbase Visa partnership and XRP. And from Forbes, Visa, MasterCard, JP Morgan, and Citi reveal crypto plan for mass institutional adoption after Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP price pump. The third company the author mentioned was Swift. From 1 week ago, Ripple USD or RLUSD is a game changer, Swift veteran says. Andre Casterman, former global head of corporate and trade markets at Swift, has described the Ripple RLUSD stablecoin as a game changer for cross-border payments. Ripple partner and Wells Fargo collaborating on Swift replacement. Ripple identified as major Swift rival. XRP set to dominate global finance. MasterCard and Ripple join forces to transform global payments. Now here's the important part. Remember the headline? Prediction. Billionaires will buy this cryptocurrency, right? Jake mentions this first in his thesis under key points. Exchange-traded funds based on XRP could attract significant investment from billionaires. So the first Ripple ETF proposals were filed in October of this year. Crypto asset manager Bitwise files for XRP ETP with securities regulator. And then Canary Capital files registration statement with the US SEC for spot XRP ETF. And then 21 Shares joins the race to launch an XRP ETF with SEC filing. And then Wisdom Tree files for spot XRP ETF with SEC following Bitwise and 21 Shares. But that's not all. So back in September, we heard Grayscale to launch first US XRP Trust, paving way for potential ETF. Then 3 days ago, Grayscale XRP Trust set to end 2024 with over 300% gains, right? US SEC acknowledged Grayscale's XRP ETF filing. So I count 5 potential ETFs with this headline, right? Now, recently I read, this is 2 weeks ago, BlackRock sets XRP ETF aside. Here's what's happening. And here is the latest update on BlackRock XRP ETF. According to several sources on the X social media platform, BlackRock Wealth Management giant does not intend to launch any new ETF based on XRP or any other cryptocurrencies, right? Consequently, speculation suggests that BlackRock could also join the race to offer an XRP ETF to its clients. On the contrary, fresh comments from BlackRock's head of ETF department, Jay Jacobs, indicate that the world's largest asset manager has no immediate plans to launch an XRP ETF, right? According to Jacobs, BlackRock is currently focused on its spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs rather than introducing a similar product for other altcoins like XRP. Recall that BlackRock launched its Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs earlier this year, with both products attracting inflows of $35.88 billion and $3.19 billion respectively. Okay, guys, 2 weeks ago, I called bullshit on that. There is no way BlackRock is going to sit on the sidelines and not have their own XRP ETF, in my opinion. Guess what? 6 days ago, BlackRock reveals XRP ETF plans. XRP news today, BlackRock ETF could propel XRP to all-time high as Bitcoin eyes 100,000. Now, this is not investment advice. I am not an investment advisor. I will never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any security or cryptocurrency. But let me get this straight. I've got 5 potential ETFs in the pipeline right now. 2 of them being Wisdom Tree and Grayscale, just waiting for Gensler to leave or the case with the SEC to be settled, right? And now I've got BlackRock in the shadows planning their XRP ETF too. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I believe the XRP ETFs together will exceed the combined value of Bitcoin's and Ethereum's ETFs. No doubt in my mind. If not for the potential, the stronger use case, but for the lower price point alone. You know, what people say and what people actually do can often be 2 different things. The excitement around buying a new XRP ETF is going to be considerable. Nothing you say will convince me to buy Bitcoin at 100,000 to see if it can reach 125. Buy Ethereum at 3,400 to see if it can get to 4,000, or buy Solana at 195 to see if it can get to 250. Okay, when I could buy XRP in the 2s, in my opinion, when these ETFs start opening for trading, there's going to be some real action. The low price days of XRP will be over. At the time of this recording, I've got XRP at 214, and I want you to remember I pointed out the price to you. I'm sorry to say it, but I think many of you were more excited about XRP's run from 50 cents to almost 3 than you are about what's potentially ahead. Will XRP price surge in 2025 if the SEC approves a Ripple ETF? Well, the XRP price continues to slowly form a bullish pennant chart pattern as expectations of the SEC approving a Ripple ETF rise. Most of us believe that won't happen until Gensler is gone or the case gets tossed. So January 15th, we have another court appearance, and Gensler's ass is on the street the 20th. I also believe there may be a cascade effect of good news ahead for this project. In other words, one thing dropping after another. There are rising odds that other companies like Fidelity, BlackRock, and ARK Invest will file their XRP ETFs because of its scale and their success in Bitcoin and Ether ETFs. BlackRock has accumulated over $52 billion in Bitcoin and $3.54 billion in Ethereum funds. And I'm going to go on the record right now and say it again. A lot of that money will migrate over to XRP ETFs. Yeah, I said it. Those coins may in fact go higher, but admit it. They have had their day in the sun, and it's XRP's turn. It has been suppressed for years, and now it's about to be released from its captivity. If this happens, the XRP price could surge, as we saw with the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs earlier this year. The hopes for a Ripple ETF rose after Donald Trump won the general election in November. He has already nominated Paul Atkins to be the next SEC chair, a move that will introduce major regulatory changes. Analysts expect a few major ETF approvals in 2024 already. The XRP price will likely do well as the XRP ledger and RLUSD stablecoin continue to gain market share. According to CoinMarketCap, the RLUSD has gained over $53 million in market cap a few weeks after launch. XRP's price peaked at $290 in December and has retreated by 25% from its highest point this year. It has remained above the 50 and 100-day exponential moving averages, a sign that the uptrend may continue. Most importantly, the XRP price is in a consolidation mode and is forming a bullish pennant pattern. This pattern, which can take a few days or weeks to form, comprises a vertical line, a flagpole, and a symmetrical triangle. It will be confirmed if XRP's price remains inside the two triangle sides. Therefore, the XRP token will likely have a strong bullish breakout in the next few weeks as ETF odds rise. Not investment advice or advisor. If this happens, the next key level to watch will be at 290, the highest point this year, which is about 35% above the current levels. A surge above that price could push it to $3 and potentially $4 per token. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.